First step, open up the hood, and we are going to remove those 4 13mm bolts to mount our brackets up for the lights. Once you figure out which side the mounts go on, slide it through, it goes under, and then you'll just swap it into place. Now to mount the brackets for the lights onto the mounts themselves. With the angle, you'll put the angle of the mount towards the back so that the lights will be straight up and down. If you do it the other way, it pushes them forward and will not keep them straight. So, curve towards the back. After I got the mount on, went on and put the light on, ran the wire underneath. Lights are installed.